In this video, I will show you how to disable browser notifications using Intune. Log into Microsoft Admin Center. Go to Endpoint Manager. Select Devices. Scroll down and select Configuration Profiles. Click on Create Profile. Select Platform. Windows 10 and later. Profile type. System catalog. In Configuration Settings, click on Add Settings. In Select Picker Type, Default Notification Setting, and click on Search. Enable the setting we need for Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Turn on or enable the setting. And in Default Notification Setting, Devices, select, Do not allow any site to show desktop notifications. Once we apply the policies on the selected devices or all devices, user won't get option to enable notification on browser. We have created the policy and applied. Please wait until it get apply. We can see the changes by clicking on the policy, and it will show the progress. Thanks for watching video. Please support and subscribe for the latest videos.